good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Eddie. Right now, we're about to get the cold start. I didn't want to record it outside because someone is doing work at our house, and I can't get the proper cold start right now, so I might just have to do it from the inside the cabin. But just roll down the windows real quick. All right, cool. Cold start. It wasn't as loud if I were outside, bro, to be honest. Alright, so obviously I moved you guys over here to this side because I don't want to be holding the camera. I had like a dope plan, like to do a nice little cinematic start to the vlog, but the guy who was at my house fixing something kind of ruining my plans. But it's all good, it just happened. It wasn't his fault, but it is what it is. Right now we're actually headed to go get a car wash. The car is filthy, bro. I haven't washed it since it rained, since we went to SD. I want to get this washed. It's gonna rain on Tuesday, but who cares? At least the car will be washed for like a good 3 days. Yeah, we're gonna meet up with the homie Big G this time. He's not flaking, let's hope. And we'll see what we do throughout the day, because don't really have anything planned. But I appreciate y'all for showing love on that last video. If y'all haven't yet seen the last video where we went to SD, go check that out. It was a dope little trip we went to. Saw hella beamers. Supra was there because it's a beamer. It was dope overall. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll show you boys some love. Widebody kit came out for Adro, and the price, bro, the price, oh my god. I would be looking, if I did the kit, everything, full kit, I'd be spending $20,000, bro.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
On just the kit alone. That's not including labor, paint, like, damn, bro. So yeah, I think we're gonna hold the Widebody right now, because 20,000, bro. I'm sorry, but I am not rich like that. I do not have 20 G's just to throw like that or spend. I would love to have the kit, trust me. If I had 20 G's, bro, here you go, fam. But I just don't, bro. I don't. Hell nah. And that is an expensive kit. Beautiful kit, but just expensive as F. For me, at least. For me. Damn, bro, whoever gets that kit, shit, shout out to you, because you got money, my boy. You got money, and your car's gonna look insane. I understand the pricing, don't get me wrong. I understand why it's expensive, but it's just too expensive for me. Point blank, you know, it's just too expensive for me. It's way out of my budget. I do not have 20 G's just to buy a kit right now. I don't. What I'm thinking is either we're gonna wrap the car, give it a different change, you know, a different look, add a big wing, probably get the Agile wing still. Just give it another version, you know, revamp the car a little bit, because I'm getting bored of the color and everything like that. And probably change up the interior bits, start doing Alcantara. If not, really been debating, because this year I think they're releasing the X-Drive M2. So imagine having an M2 X-Drive, bro, that'd be insane. So we possibly might trade the Supra in for an M2 X-Drive. I don't know. I'm probably just speaking too soon, you know, but it could be a possibility. It could be a possibility. But let me call up the homie George real quick, because I am at his crib. And yeah, I need to go get gas too. So, oh, he's actually coming out. Jeez, them lights is bright as F. But let me see the lights. He got some new mods inside the interior. What's up, pa? Chillin'. So love. The little mods in the middle. Damn. If y'all didn't know, this doesn't come stock, but this is sick, bro. This adds a little bit more lights. That ass, huh? Baby M8 for real. AliExpress? Yeah, see? Y'all can get yourself some on these on AliExpress. I saw them, for the MT40i when I had it. I saw them on eBay.
China
for like 200,
baby.
Yeah, for like 200.
200
on eBay.
Right.
But I never bought them, so. But He got him for what, 60 you said?
Yeah, for like 65 bucks.
Sheesh. So that's a steal, bro. You upgrade your interior for 60 bucks.
Now you got an M8.
That ass. Nah, the red is tough. Jeez. That is one big ass dog next to a smaller dog. Damn. But we pulled up to the Starbucks and we got the whips looking nice and right. They is fresh and clean. You feel me? I was trying to figure out my camera right now because for a minute it was acting up and then I had to like smack it a little bit. It started working for whatever reason, but we posted looking nice and right. You feel me? And we got the guard dogs right there posted as well. Bro, that is such a big dog. It reminds me of that dog from that one movie. You guys know what movie I'm talking about. Oh, the one with the baseball kids. You guys know what I'm talking about. You guys know what movie I'm talking about. I just can't remember right now. The homie Lev pulled up. We've been here chilling for like probably like 30 minutes already. We were drinking coffee, just chilling. But homie Lev pulled up, and my boy, we should have called him earlier because he needs a wash. Damn. Birds are pooping on this shit. But it's a CS, so you can't hate on it no matter what. The what? The other headlight? Oh shit! I didn't even notice. Damn. We gotta get your new headlights up here. Yeah, we just chilling here. But damn, the booper looking good. Ooh, I was just showing them the wrap color I want to do on this, and they even think I should do it because it's gonna be sick on here, bro. I'm telling you. I want to do the wrap color, so I might end up buying the roll pretty soon, bro. I'm actually thinking about buying it pretty soon, and then just having it on the side, and then hit up one of my boy Chino and have him help me install it. So he's all up out of here now. He's trying to get videos of me. I think we're waiting on the homie Lev right now. Because we're a little too ahead, I think. I don't know. His M4 is so loud, damn. So as you guys can see, I'm no longer with the guys no more, but we got the Supra looking nice and right here, bro. Just look at the Supra, bro. See? I wanted to pull over to the side, probably get some pictures right now, a couple videos, you know, for the Instagram and all that. I wanted to pull over too, so I can also set you guys up right here for that POV when I drive back. Driving back is usually fun, and I just want to get a nice little POV of it driving back. But damn, look at this rear end, bro. The rear end looks so good. Look at the arcade just peeking right there. Ooh, wee. Possibly adding a big wing is coming soon. I just want to add a wing now to it, just so I can give it that nice look. Or I don't know if I want to add back the Street Hunter wing and just put my old trunk back on there. I don't know. We'll see. this car. It makes all the right sounds, bro. I just need a T51R mod. Ooh. And this thing would sound like a jet. Ooh, SF90. What the hell? What's the SF90 just doing there on the side like that? Oh my god. Another one on 40. And I'm not even fully throttling it, bro. Yeah, she's a little squirmy, bro. Damn, bro. Damn. I forget how fast this damn car is. I can only imagine like a M2 and all that, the S58s and all that. Woo. Imagine this thing single turbo. Woo. Oh, bro, I don't even think I've experienced real speed, like real speed yet, bro. Dead ass.